Hi guys, today we will learn how to layer videos in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Make sure the app is fully loaded because we'll start by creating a new project for layering videos. Now tap on New Video. This will open your gallery so you can select the media you want to work with. From your gallery, choose the video or photo you want to add to your project. Once selected, it will be imported into CapCut's timeline for editing. After your video is imported, look at the bottom of the screen where different options appear. Tap on Overlay to start layering additional media on top of your main video. Now tap on Add Overlay in the bottom middle. Here you can choose another video or photo to layer over your main video. You can select anything from your gallery. After adding the overlay, adjust it on top of your main video. You can resize, position, or trim the overlay to match the duration you need. If you need it half the length, simply trim it accordingly. Finally, once everything looks perfect, tap on Export at the top right corner. Your layered video will be saved and ready to share. So yeah guys, that's how you can easily layer videos in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.